Hey creators! In this quick guide, I'll show you how to download Adobe Photoshop for free on your PC or Mac first. Head to the link in the description. It'll take you straight to Adobe's official Photoshop page so you know you're downloading from a trusted source. Once you're there, click on Start Free Trial. Adobe offers a 14-day free trial of Photoshop. Full features, no restrictions. You can choose from different plans, but for this video, we'll select the business plan. You can also test out Adobe stock for 7 days and download up to 10 premium assets to keep. Next, enter your email, fill in your details, and add payment info. Don't worry, Adobe won't charge you if you cancel before the trial ends. After confirming, Adobe will prompt you to download the Creative Cloud app. Install it, log in with your new Adobe ID, go to the Apps tab, and click Install next to Photoshop. The download starts automatically. Once the installation is done, open Photoshop, and you're ready to explore the full version free for 14 days. Perfect for editing photos, designing graphics, or testing the latest features before you buy. And that's it! You've got Adobe Photoshop running on your computer. Quick, easy, and 100% safe. Check the link in the description for the official download page, and if you want more editing tutorials, stick around for the next video. See you there!